Hi guys! So today, we will learn how to remove copyright claim to a video and make it eligible for monetization. So we'll go to our browser and we will go to our YouTube studio. So let us log in our account. So mine is already logged in. Okay, let's go to our videos. Let's tap the second one. So as you can see here, I have here on the topmost ineligible because I have a copyright claim. So let's see, where did we get our copyright? See details. Just tap it. So it says here 0 to 17 seconds of the content found. So my 0 to 17 seconds is my intro. So it says here Nova RX. Okay, Nova is a song by RX. So we would have to select an action here. Trim out segment, replace song, or mute song. So we will choose mute song. So read carefully. Okay, mute song only. Remove the claimed song only. So let us continue. Okay, let's mute. So processing video. So let us wait while it processes. So it's still loading and processing. So let us check again on our video. our topmost video. As you can see now, it's public and its monetization is on. The restrictions is none. So now, we can already monetize it. So, we click on the title and the dollar sign. In the previews, this isn't accessible, so now we can access it. So let's open our ads and let us click save on the upper right. So that's it, guys. We did it. Monetization on, restriction none. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.